Letter number 23. Will made shortly before his death, when he had been fatally wounded by a blow from the sword of Abdurrahman ibn Muljim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I enjoin upon you as my dying wish not to regard anything by way of partner with Allah, not to disregard the Sunnah of Muhammad, may Allah bless him and his descendants, establish these two pillars and light these two lamps. You will then be free from evil. Yesterday I was your companion and today I am, just, a lesson for you, while tomorrow I shall be leaving you. If I survive I shall be the master of my blood, to avenge or not to avenge it, and if I die then death is a promised event. If I forgive, it is for me a means of nearness to Allah, and for you a good act. Therefore, do forgive. What? Love you not that Allah should forgive you? By Allah, this sudden death is not an event that I dislike, nor is it an accident that I hate. I am just like a night traveler who reaches the spring in the morning, or like a seeker who secures his aim. And whatever is with Allah is the best for the righteous ones.